In a sunlit studio, Mira the sonic gardener tends a grow room where glass bowls hum with tuned frequencies. Her talent isn't memory or strength, but shaping plant growth through carefully calibrated sound waves learned after a brush with a failed harvest. She recalls a quarter-life crisis that steered her from a lab bench to field tests among vineyards and nurseries. There were late nights, failed trials, and a mentor who doubted her, yet Mira persisted, documenting data and refining. Her journey shows breakthroughs bloom when courage meets patient listening to the living world.